it's Christina from Emotion Designs. Today we're going to be pressing a acrylic keychain. So I'm just going to show you a quick demo on how to do that. These are the rectangular blanks. Try and get them close so you can see. It's really neat because you're pressing on the back side of these. So your image is going to go like shine through the top, very similar to the cutting boards. Actually, the same as the cutting boards. So what we're going to do is we've got our press preheated to 350 degrees, and we're going to press at medium to heavy pressure for 80 seconds, 1 minute and 20 seconds. And we're going to leave the protective coating on the top of the blank until after it's cooled. You can tell there's a white coating on the back, so you want to peel your coating. You can see that. Peel your coating off of the back of the blank. Okay, just like that. We've got our little designs already done up, and I don't know if you can see this, but when you're lining them up, you can actually see right through. Sorry, the light is shining on this. Anyways, you can see the design through. There, you can see it now. So it'll be easy to line up. Just give me 1 second here, and I'm going to tape it down, and then we'll press it. Okay. That looks good. Okay. There we go. Okay. Need our biscuit paper. I'm actually doing 2 of these, so I'll do them both at the same time. You can press them at the same time. So we're going to put the blank side down, paper side on the top. And we'll do the same for this one. Just going to peel off the back coating, the part that's covering the white, and then line it up. You can see that. These are so cute. These are my little drawings that I did last year. We have hockey gnomes, and we have football gnomes, and I did some hockey chicks. So I thought they would be fun on these keychains. Okay, so that one's all taped and ready to go. I hope you can see. Okay, so we'll do them both. And to save paper, I'm just going to fold this one over, so it's covering both the bottom and the top. Okay, and we're going to do 350 for 80 seconds. These are really pretty keychains. Do one. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to take them off, just set them down here. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so you can already see them through the acrylic. So what we're going to do is just peel off the transfer. Okay, one thing I didn't mention is that for the designs on these blanks is you don't mirror your image. So this one is done. So what I'm going to do is just peel off the top protective coating now. And you can see how nice this is. And then if you look at the side, you can see through it. These are really cool blanks. Not sure where the camera is aiming, so forgive me. anyways, yeah. So that's the hockey mom. And then we have this one off. Oh, I love these. And we have the little hockey chick. Yeah. And the same thing. These are just so nice. Love these. These will probably end up in somebody's order. So, yeah. So that's it. And then when you have your hardware, so you just put it through, add your ring over the top, and then you just snap it together. And there you go. Okay, well, that's it for now. And if you have any questions, just let us know, and yeah, we'll be happy to answer them.